I know I've said this before, but we're on day 9 and I just don't want this to end. This is the 13 days of Craftoween from Spellbinders, and I'm excited to show you what we have here for our day 9 folder. Oh, an adorable monster, one-eyed monster. He has a one-eyed jack-o'-lantern pail. So cute. He's got his Halloween costume on, or maybe that's just what he wears every day. He has a little candy and a single eyeglass. That's so cute. And this says monstrously fun wishes. I love the colorway that they used on this one. So cute. Let's go ahead and cut it out and take a look at our cute little monster. Okay, let's take a look at our cute little monster all cut out. Of course I had to use peridot for him. I'm loving peridot for this series. I matched that with purple for his horns and his wings. I also cut purple for his tail and black just to see which one I would like better. His glasses and his pitchfork, his accessories here were cut out of black. And then he has his cute little Halloween pail here with one eye too. I love that little detail. It's so cute. His eye is a big circle, and then you have the little black accent piece to go in the middle of his eye, and his teeth are here. That circle also doubles as a candy piece too, so you can cut out just the circle a few times and add that little detail for the candies. Before I start on my card, I'm going to give this little guy some dimension by ink blending the edges. And I'm just going to add a touch to his wing and his horns. And we can't forget about our little jack-o'-lantern too. Okay, let's get this little guy glued together. To create my background, I'm using the Falling Stars press plate and embossing folder. This is a set that comes together, and these stars create a really cool background. So I already have my press plate on my BetterPress. My peridot ink is out and I need to get a refill. So I'm going to sub with Sprout from Concord and 9th. I like to use the BetterPress ink, but in a pinch you can substitute. So I'm just gently tapping and turning my ink to get it onto the surface of my stars. Then I can place my platen on top. I have a 5x7 piece of BetterPress cardstock in here, and I'm going to run that through my die cutting machine. Beautiful. Before I put this in my embossing folder, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out using my Precision Layering A2 dies and run that through my Platinum 6. Okay, so there's my panel. Now it shows you on the insert card how to place the BetterPress card panel into the embossing folder. And we're going to place it towards the bottom of the folder. So none of the BetterPress stars should be covered up by the embossed stars. And when you get it in the right place, you'll see that they are just slightly offset, and that looks great. So I'm going to run this through my machine. Okay, let's take a look. Perfect. Look at that. So you have that amazing embossing along with the BetterPress. Perfect. Love it. To help my monster stand out, I cut a piece of black cardstock using the Everlasting Circles die, and this is the perfect size to really make him pop there. The other thing that I needed to do was to figure out how I was going to add my sentiment since I have this embossed background. This Monstrously Fun Wishes is the sentiment that I want to use, and this die from the Precision Layering A2 die set fits that just perfectly. So I'm going to stamp this onto carrot cardstock and see what that looks like. Now I can get all of my layers adhered together. And I definitely want to pop up my cute little monster with some black foam tape. This circle is having a hard time sticking because of all of the embossing, so I'm going to put some foam tape down on that as well. And then I'm going to add some foam to my sentiment as well. I don't think I'm going to use the little candy pieces because I think it would just be a little bit too much on the background with all of my stars. I do, however, want to add some sequins, and I can add purple and orange here. I decided not to add any more items to the background, so I'm just going to put my sequins right around my monster here. And that's day 9 of the 13 days of Craftoween. Thanks so much for joining me as I shared the day 9 die set from the 13 days of Craftoween Advent Calendar and the cute monster card I created with it. Although the kit is sold out at Spellbinders, check your favorite online or local retailer to find out if they have it in stock, and discover all of the additional products that I used to create this card in the video description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to turn on notifications so that you won't miss the rest of my Craftoween videos, and leave a comment letting me know what you think about this card. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating, friends!